What is up, accurate traders? This is Munya, and today we're going to be looking at volatility indices strategy, and we're going to be taking a look at some of the volatility indices that we have right here. So if you're new, please make sure you click the subscribe button and you turn on notification bell so that you are notified the next time I post a strategy or an analysis that can help you make some money. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at V75. We're also going to be looking at other indices like V100, V10, maybe V75 1S, and we're going to be looking for opportunities to enter during this whole week. Today is a Sunday and we're looking for trades for the whole week, so we're going to be doing some analysis together, some back testing of the strategy together, and seeing how best we can make some money trading volatility indices. So please make sure you have somewhere to write these analyses and also maybe replicate them on your phone so that you stay in touch. Some of the trades we might enter together, and some of them, I don't know what you guys prefer. Do you prefer that we look at the market each and every single day together, do an analysis in the morning, see how it goes throughout the whole day, or you just prefer a weekly analysis? Tell me guys in the comment section what you want, and we'll do exactly that. If you want an analysis each and every single day, we'll jump on and analyze the market together every single morning. So let's do a vote, guys. Tell me in the comment section. I'll read the comments, and I'll count how many people are interested in daily analysis, and we'll also count how many people want a weekly analysis. Okay, so let me just rotate my screen. This is V75. I usually like to start from these very high time frames. Why? Because we're going to be trading for a long time. So I want to do a top-down analysis. I want to know each and every analysis I will make. So if you're watching this as soon as I post this video, you also have a trade that you can jump into, because we're going to go down even to the 5-minute time frame, even to the 1-minute time frame. So make sure you have your notification bell turned on when you subscribe, so that you can catch some of these trades immediately and enter. Okay, so what I want to do now is I want to start off by marking I'll just say my support and resistance, and usually we'll start off by having this the low of the day, which is probably right there. This is probably going to be a low for the whole week, if I'm not mistaken. We'll see, but I'm already anticipating that. Let me check on my daily time frame. Yeah, we might experience the low for not the whole week necessarily, but for a couple of days. It might take a while. Okay, maybe let's go back to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so from my 4-hour time frame, I can already see these points. Just to confirm that my line is very accurate, you can see that it was confirmed quite a number of times. We've got this whole section confirming a touch. We also have here, so my bottom line is okay. My next resistance, since I've already seen that the market is coming from down here, I'm going to look for a high. Now the high that I can only see, the highest point is that one right there. That's the highest price zone that I can tell. I don't know if it's been confirmed before. Maybe let me just go to the daily and see. Yes, it's been confirmed quite a number of times here. We also have here. Okay, guys, don't forget to tell me if you want this. We also have at that point as well, if you want an analysis each and every single day in the morning of trades that we're going to be entering that day, and then the next day we do trades that we ended that day, or you just want a weekly analysis, the one that we just have once a week. I don't know, tell me guys in the comment section. So I've already seen my highs. Now I'm left with just marking some important price zones. Okay, these are important price zones. I have my support, I have my resistance. I can see that this whole region is a very important price zone. A lot was happening at that price. I can already see again that lower than that around this region, it was another important price zone. So maybe let me just leave these two zones like this, okay, these zones like this, so that I have a cleaner chart. Now with this, I usually go to my 1 hour time frame to look for some trends, and I can already see that there is this downward resistance that we are sort of like following in this channel, which is like this, and it seems like price is shifting each and every time it gets to that point. You can see that at that point our price shifted. I think I'm going to move to a laptop. Because it's very difficult to analyze on the phone, but I hope you guys can see these. Let me just remove some of these zones. Okay, so you guys can see clearly that we were in a downtrend, or we are in a downtrend. Let me go to your daily so that you can clearly see again. Okay, so price is bouncing in between my support and my resistance. We have other key important price levels that we see there, but basically the market is just trying to push down, although currently we experience this upward movement, sort of like a swing going up. You can actually trade that swing if you know what you're doing. Okay, you can actually trade that. I think the 4 hour time frame gives us the best view. So you can see that price is probably going to target that top resistant trend line that we have, this one, and probably push back down. If you can already see that we were experiencing resistance around that region, or it can even push from this point going back to test our bottom resistance, or it can do a breakout. Okay, so right now the only decision that you can make is going up with it to the top trend line there and wait for either a breakout or a reversal, but most likely you're going to experience a breakout, and maybe price will try to push back all the way up to these zones. Okay, maybe price will try to push back all the way up to those zones. Okay, but as for me, I would enter into a buy trade at the moment because there is a very strong bullish momentum, and we are coming from down below on our support. Okay, even in the 1 hour time frame, you can already see that price is probably going to want to cover all this whole gap, right? Because we're coming from down here. So we're a little bit late on our entry. We should have entered down there because we had so many things confirming that rather than at the point that we are at. But nonetheless, we still trade what we are seeing. Okay, we still trade what we are seeing. Tell me, guys, what you think on V75. Tell me, guys, what you think. But one thing for sure is we are bouncing between the upper price that we have there, which is our resistance, and this bottom support that we are coming from. Okay, so this is basically a cleaner chart. We're probably going to first try and reach this region, and if the bullish momentum is very strong, we'll probably break this resistance, but it'll be wiser to first take profit at that region. So this is basically the trend that we have. I don't know how it's going to behave throughout the day. I'll probably try and update you guys and enter some trades. If you want to see the update, make sure you check out our Telegram channel. I'll leave the link in the description box below. Just click the link and it will take you straight to our Telegram channel, and you'll be able to see updates on these trades and some of the trades that I'm going to be entering into. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below if you want this to be daily or weekly. Okay, maybe let's take a look at another index, maybe V25. What do you guys like? What do you guys like? Maybe let's take a look at V25. Again, I'll probably start from a very high time frame just to get the picture of where the market is really going. So from my daily time frame, you can already see that we're probably starting we're probably forming an M formation, which means we are starting a downward trend. Probably the market is trying to push down. I can see that we have got a double top. We've got a double top. Let me mark it up for you. We've got a double top here. So probably the market is trying to push and go down, but we're not going to be anticipating. We're going to be analyzing. So I'm going to go to my 4-hour time frame. Here is my 4-hour time frame. Let me remove this double top. It might confuse you. So for my 4-hour time frame, I want to mark my highest price point, which is going to be my resistance, which is right about, it's right about, yep. And I've got this support. We're very far away from our support. We're probably heading there. I've got this support, and then of course I have got some zones that I'm seeing that are being respected. So anything within this zone was being respected, and I'm already seeing some channels forming. We call it trends in trends. And I can already see that we've got this top resistant trend line. Okay, so every time price was hitting that point, it was going back down, but right now we are at support because price is coming from this zone. So either our price is going to bounce from our support and go up back to our trend line, or break that trend line and keep going up, or we're going to see the bigger trend. Okay, let me show you guys the bigger trend. The bigger trend is this one. We've got a bigger trend here. Let me remove this quickly. We've got a bigger channel here. We've got a bigger channel here. Okay, and there. Okay, can you guys see that? So what I'm saying is price is either going to bounce, because again we already have two confirmations. We are at a support on our channel and inside our support and resistance. Remember, we marked out important price points where price was reacting, right? You can see that price was reacting each and every time we reached this zone. It was bouncing. It was bouncing here. It bounced again. It bounced here. Again here. Here it made a breakout, and here it kept on bouncing. So from the two confirmations that we have so far, price is probably going to try and push up. Let's go to our smaller time frame. Let's go to our smaller time frame. Let's go to a 1-hour time frame and see clearly. So this is basically how price is behaving from our 1-hour time frame. It's a little bit noisy, but you can already see that price has already started being bullish and trying to push up. Okay, you can also see that we have another resistance point here. So price was consolidating within this region. There's a lot of consolidation from the market, but nonetheless we are still getting those bullish movements. Can either be here I think here is even more perfect because we have got the most number of touches at that zone. At the same time, we have got a bottom trend line giving us the same analysis. Okay, even if you want to put a channel up there, you will see that we have not even yet there. So it's most likely that price is going to head for this spot right here. Okay, I don't want to make these videos too long for you guys. Tell me guys what you think. If you enjoy these videos, I can do it daily. In the morning, we look at the charts, we analyze together, we enter for that day, and we see the next day how it is going to act out. Tell me guys what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out all the other strategies that we have on this channel, and until next time.